Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. We are headed to Home Depot and we're gonna see what they got going on in Home Depot today. So let's go. How much is that one right there? So the one at Sam's is cheaper. Might have to order that one. And that was only 10 feet. And yes guys, we are still Christmas tree shopping because we decided to go with the artificial tree in our formal dining room. We did do a live tree and that one was done in our formal living room. So now we are trying to find one real quick for the dining room area, because we usually do a live one in there, but we're gonna do artificial this year. They have some cute little pillows. And remember the video I did with, we did the decor for outside? This is the set that we got, but we got ours on clearance. Yeah. Well, you went and got another buggy. Look at that. Look, it's gone. I can't remember. I mean, they have this one right here. I think we had wanted this one, but they might not even have any more of those. This one. It was, so that's that one. I seen a box on the other side. They have this one, Steph. I don't know if it, I think that might be the same size. I don't know. I think we had decided on, what was it? I think it was that one right there.
Better get a good one. You see that little cheap one we had tore? Which one we had? That one? No? Was it? Yeah, that's it. I think it was $139 though.
Not cheap.
I'm sure ain't.
I mean, you want to get another one? I mean, but we picked out that one, but we can always get another one.
Let's see.
This one's, how about this one? You want to pay that much?
That might be too tall for our size.
You think so? What do you mean too tall? Oh, you talking about the height? Oh, okay, I see what you're saying. That's nice. You like that one? And they got this one with a little thing, but we ain't got no. Then we gonna have that thing for that area right
See,
now.
I'm gonna say this plate, all that right there, we can only use the round part.
I guess we can go with the one that we decided to get. What about that one? That's it. This new lower price. You don't like that one? It's alright. Alright, so I guess we'll go with the one.
Let's see. It's $8.82.
We end up getting the display, guys, of the fireplace that we wanted because it was the only one left. We also got some lighting, and we did decide on the faucet. We got that also. So we're trying to load up the fireplace, and as you see, it's really nice. We got an awesome price on it. It was only like $2.79. So once I get home and we get it set up, I'll give you a complete look of the fireplace. So we just loading it up right now. The fireplace fits perfectly in the area that we bought it for, guys. It fits the TV great. I love that you can also use little decorative items like books and other pictures and other items to place inside of it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube channel, and I definitely will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.